Hello everyone, welcome back to Inside Easy Lab. Here we discuss data analytics, machine learning, SQL, Power BI and Excel in simple and practical way. As we have started our new series to learn Microsoft Power BI from basic till the advanced part of it. So in this series, you are not going to learn only Microsoft Power BI, but this series will help you to crack your PH300 certification as well. So let's try to see the same. So in this video, we are going to see how to connect tab separated file to your Power BI report. So let's try to see the same. Before moving to the practical implementation, let's try to understand the data which is available in the file. So here I have this file which is tab delimited. If I open this file in Notepad to show you actual data which is present in that particular file. So here see that data is separated by the tab. Here also it is separated by the tab. Now we have to load this data for reporting purpose to the Power BI. So let's try to see the same. As I have opened this blank Power BI report where we have not loaded any data till the moment, we have to load that particular tab separated file to the Power BI. So click on get data option, then click on more. And here you will find several options to connect the data from different sources. As our source is file, so select file option, select text and CSV, click on connect. Choose the directory where you have that file available in case of your local machine. So as in my local machine, that particular file is available in this directory, and choose that particular file and click on open. It is loading that particular file. See, Power BI has by default identified the delimited or delimiter which is available in that particular file. So as we have discussed the data, so delimiter was tab. So Power BI has identified that particular delimiter. Similarly, you can connect colon delimited file, you can connect comma separated file, you can connect equal sign delimited file, you can connect semicolon separated file, also you can connect space delimited file as well. Now in our case, it is tab delimited. So it has by default identified. Also, if you have any custom delimiter, so you can use this custom option as well. Select on custom. Let's say in your file delimiter is @ so you can use like this. So you can use point of telling is you can use custom delimiter as well to load the data from custom delimited file as well. So as in your case, our delimiter is tab, so I will select tab separated only as a delimiter and I will click on transform data. Now it is loading the data to the Power Query. Now see, it has loaded that data to the Power Query. After loading that data to the Power Query, make sure whatever the data type it should be there, it has taken properly. For salesperson and branch, it should be the text, so it has identified the correct data type. For actual sales and target sales, it should be the numeric one, so it has identified numeric. Now simply click on close and apply. Now it is loading the data to the Power BI. Now you can see earlier in the data pane, nothing was there. Now it has loaded that data to the data pane. If you want to see actual data, click on this table view. Now see, this is the data which was there tab separated. We are able to load that data to the Power BI. Now if you want to make some custom visualization based on this data, now you can use this data for visualization and reporting purpose. Let's try to see the same. Now let's say as this data is related to the branch and salesperson where actual sales and target sales is given. So let's say if you want to create line chart for the same and you want this line chart to distribute total sales by the branch. So I will expand this visualization. On x-axis I will take branch and on y-axis I will take actual sales. And this is the way you can show your branch wise distribution of your data, or you can create any custom visualization you want. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to check out other tutorials which is related to Power BI on our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video.